I. Anitya, impermanent. E. Sunya, empty. Dukkha, suffering. E. Sunya, empty. IV. Anatmika, egoless. The four aspects of the contemplation on the origin of suffering. I. Samudaya, origin. E. Hetu, cause. E. Pratyaya, condition. IV. Prabhava, process. The four aspects of the contemplation on the cessation of suffering. I. Nirodha, cessation. E. Santa, tranquility. E. Pranita, excellence. IV. Nisarana, deliverance. The four aspects of the contemplation on the path. I. Magga, path. E. Nyaya, rational. E. Pratipad, attainment. IV. Niryanaka, definitive release. 4. In the in-breath and the out-breath there are also 16 aspects. I. Attention to the in-breath. E. Attention to the out-breath. E. Attention to the long breath and the short breath. IV. Knowledge that one is breathing in the entire body. V. Knowledge that one is breathing while having eliminated the bodily factors. Vi. Knowledge that one is breathing while experiencing joy. VII. Knowing that one is breathing while experiencing bliss. VIII. Knowledge that one is breathing while feeling the mental factors. IX. Knowledge that one is breathing while gladdening the mind. X. Knowledge that one is breathing while concentrating the mind. She. Knowledge that one is breathing while liberating the mind. XII. Knowledge that one is breathing while contemplating impermanence. XIII. Knowledge that one is breathing while contemplating disappearance. XIV. Knowledge that one is breathing while contemplating renunciation of desire. XV. Knowledge that one is breathing while contemplating cessation. XVI. Knowledge that one is breathing while contemplating renunciation. 5. Furthermore, there are 6 recollections. The recollection of the Buddha. The Buddha is Arit, Samyak Sambuddha. 10 epithets of this kind in all. For the 5 other recollections, see below. 6. Mundane knowledge, supramundane knowledge, the knowledge of the Arhats, Pratyeka Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, Buddhas and the other knowledges of this type cognize dharmas in all their aspects. Vi. Sarvadharma. 1. The expression Sarvadharma means all the dharmas that are the object of the consciousnesses. The visual consciousness concerns color. The auditory consciousness concerns sound. The olfactory consciousness, odor. The gustatory consciousness, taste. The tactile consciousness, touch. The mental consciousness, dharmas. This last one concerns equally the eye, color and the visual consciousness, the ear and sound, the nose and smell, the tongue and taste, the body and touch, and so on up to. It concerns the manas dharmas and mental consciousness. This is what is meant by all dharmas. These are the dharmas that are the object of the consciousnesses. 2. Furthermore, all dharmas means the dharmas that are the object of the knowledges. The knowledge of suffering knows suffering. The knowledge of the origin knows the origin. The knowledge of cessation knows cessation. The knowledge of the path knows the path. The mundane knowledge knows suffering, the origin of suffering, the cessation of suffering, the path, and also space and the apratisamkhya nirodha. These are the dharmas that are the object of the knowledges. 3. Furthermore, the groups of 2 dharmas include all dharmas. These are the dharmas having form and the dharmas without form. The visible dharmas and the invisible dharmas. The resistant dharmas and the non-resistant dharmas. The impure dharmas and the pure dharmas. The conditioned dharmas and the unconditioned dharmas. The dharmas associated with the mind and the dharmas not associated with the mind. The dharmas associated with action and dissociated from action. Near dharmas and distant dharmas. These various groups of 2 dharmas include all dharmas. Note: close dharmas are present dharmas and the asamskrta. Distant dharmas are future and past dharmas. 4. Furthermore, the groups of 3 dharmas include all dharmas. These are good, bad and indeterminate dharmas. The dharmas of the saiksa, the asaiksa and the naivasaiksanasaiksa. The dharmas to be abandoned by seeing the truths to be abandoned by meditation and not to be abandoned. There are again 3 sorts of dharmas: the 5 aggregates, the 12 bases of consciousness, and the 18 elements. These various groups of 3 dharmas include all dharmas. 5. Furthermore, there are groups of 4 dharmas: past, future, present, and neither past nor future nor present dharmas. Dharmas belonging to the desire realm, to the form realm, to the formless realm, belonging to no realm. Dharmas resulting from a good cause, a bad cause, an indeterminate cause, a cause neither good nor bad nor indeterminate. Dharmas that are object condition, that are not object condition, that are both object condition and not object condition, that are both neither object condition and not object condition. These groups of 4 dharmas include all dharmas. 6. There are groups of 5 dharmas: substance, mind, dharmas associated with the mind, dharmas dissociated from the mind, and unconditioned dharmas. These various groups of 5 dharmas include all dharmas. 7. There are groups of 7 dharmas: dharmas to be abandoned by seeing suffering, dharmas to be abandoned, respectively, by seeing the origin, the cessation, and the path, dharmas to be abandoned by meditation, and dharmas not to be abandoned. These various groups of 6 dharmas and the innumerable other groups of dharmas include all dharmas. That is what is meant by sarvadharma. Question. The dharmas are very profound, subtle, and inconceivable. If all beings together do not succeed in cognizing them, how then could a single person claim to cognize them all? It is as though one wanted to measure the earth, count the drops of water in the ocean, weigh Mount Sumeru, know the limits of space and other similar things, likewise unknowable. How can all dharmas be known in all their aspects? Answer. The darkness of ignorance is very painful, and the brilliance of wisdom is very blissful. Now all beings try to avoid suffering and seek only happiness. This is why their